Hey guys, I'm Tim with Original Strength, and this week I wanted to talk to you about another way to rock back and forth on your hands and knees. So rocking, well, this is rocking, and this is one of the best movements that you can do. It is so good for your entire body, for your brain, for your joints. This is just, man, if you could say, man, what's the one movement that could be like the biggest bang for my buck? I would say it's probably rocking. But there's different ways to do rocking, and the way we're gonna do today is single arm rocking. And so it's like two arms, it's just instead of two, you're using one, and you can do whatever you want with this arm here. You can put it back here, but if you explore single arm rocking, you're gonna discover some really neat things, especially when your weight shifts over your hand here. It just really, like it turns on your center. Like nobody's business turns on your center. So the other thing rocking on one arm does is it really helps strengthen and stabilize the shoulder. You get great stability out of the shoulder, or you teach your shoulder stability. And you can obviously, you would switch hands. And again, with this hand, you can do whatever you want. You can be like, hey, whatever. But explore rocking on one arm. And you don't just have to go forward or back. You can rock in circles. And this is really neat. I think it's one of those things you have to feel to appreciate, but some really good things are happening here. And for me, some of the good things that I'm noticing are just turning on stuff that I wouldn't think would be turning on. The other thing you can do when you're rocking on one arm is to do look-arounds, like you're trying to find your feet. And just doing this, again, really intensifies the action going around the shoulder. You'll feel your lats turn on the arm that's down. And so this movement here, well, now I'm giving you a 2-for-1 special. This movement is great for neck mobility, thoracic mobility, shoulder stability, and it's just good for you. So that's the tip this week. Explore some time on your hands and knees, or your hand and your knees, because get it hand, not plural hand, but anyway, spend some time single arm rocking and explore, especially coming up over the hand, explore circles, and if you're feeling froggy, explore head rotations while you're in the rocking mood. All right, guys, give that a shot. I'm Tim with Original Strength, and we'll see you next time.
To learn more, consider attending an Original Strength certification. Visit originalstrength.net to register.